Hi! Welcome back to our channel. Epoy Palaboy here at andito na naman tayo sa isa pang DIY challenge. Sa video na ito, gagawa tayo ng Swirling Gold Christmas tree. The main materials for this project ay ang lumang DIY Sakura Blossom Christmas tree that I personally made 3 years ago para sa kapatid kong very hardworking na si Roxy, and also for the entire family. It was made of a brown cloth, tire wire, a glue gun and sticks, Christmas light, crepe paper for the petals, at sangkaterbang pasensya. But wait! If you are new to our channel, please click that subscribe button first and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified pag may mga bago tayong video. If you like our content, please click that like button and you may leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And for this DIY challenge, we will do a makeover sa old Sakura Christmas tree at gagawin natin siyang Swirling Gold Christmas tree. And for the first step, tinatawag ko tong kalbuhin na this. With a special participation of my granddaughter Hikari Summer and my nephew Alexus. The main goal of this step is to separate all the materials. The twisted tire wire and the Christmas lights that were incorporated with it will be used for this challenge. And on the other hand, the artificial flowers and the brown fabrics will be set aside for the future projects. Also, for the record, both kids were not harmed during the shoot since I was guiding them and making sure that their safety is our priority. And for the second step, tinawag ko itong swirl it baby in a golden wrap. Using the twisted tire wire, form it into a swirling pattern and secure the Christmas lights in it using strings or kahit na anong pantales. For this project, I made a 4 batch para mas madali. And to finish it up, balutin sa gold foil strips ang nagawa at siguraduhin nakalabas ang bulb ng Christmas light. And shout out pala para kay Dodong Gracia for sponsoring the materials needed for this project. Love ya! And for the third step, tinawag ko itong ice cream chillin' baby. Gumawa ng hugis half cone using nylon strings. I found an old table na di na ginagamit, which is perfect fit for the project. I will be using it as the base of the inverted cone made of nylon strings. And for the step 4, stuck it up just like a Lego. It's the installation of the swirling gold wires with lights. For this step, I am eyeballing and guesstimating everything except for the batch that has the star. It's more on a mix and match, ika nga. Depende ko anong trip mo, as long as you're having fun. And for the final step, I call it the midnight twist. Initially, my plan is to cover the table with white cloth or any tablecloth available. Nagbago last minute ang plan since naisip ko naman na since ginawa ko na naman lang, itodo ko na. This step is just repainting the table with midnight blue leftover paint. Then glam it with a gold design using the same techniques sa Christmas tree minus the lights. Shout out pala kay Reyna Ellen for the leftover paint. Thank ya! And finally, let there be light! Our very own DIY Swirling Gold Christmas tree. Hope you like it, and if you do, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified pag may bago tayong video. And for the comments and suggestions, you may post it in the comment section below. Ako nga pala si Epoy Palaboy. Until next time, maligayang Pasko po!